Hello, everybody. We're here with John McIntyre. Welcome to the show, John.
Glad to be here.
Tell us a little bit, Caltana. What is that you guys do?
So Caltana is a pricing platform that uses AI to support the commercial real estate services industry. So services such as janitorial, landscape, et cetera, and companies that deliver those services like JLL, CBRE, Sodexo, et cetera, are challenged with responding to RFPs from their major clients. It takes them weeks to do it. They use spreadsheets and emails today, and we've actually built a cloud-based platform that leverages AI to read all the RFP documents and find the information they need, and then to calculate the pricing automatically for them. So we really are focused on supporting the services industry.
Our audience is mainly multifamily operators. Are you planning on making a play into the multifamily space anytime soon?
Absolutely. So in the multifamily, again, many of these folks like JLL, CBRE, and many of the major suppliers and integrated facility management support the multifamily area. The major next step for us is as we bring on more suppliers across geos and across different service areas, we'll begin offering data to the buyers, owners of multifamily homes, on what their pricing should be for each service, for each scope, and each geo, giving them significant intelligence and able to create their own contract for their suppliers.
John, what are some trends that you see in a PropTech space in 2025 and beyond?
Yeah, I think the biggest trends that you're going to see, and one that Caltana is taking advantage of, is leveraging AI. I think the industry is beginning to adopt areas of AI, particularly around data and data analytics. Most of the data that exists in the industry is stuck in spreadsheets, often in SharePoint folders, and we need to unleash that, unlock that, to enable significant improvements in efficiency, and really to reduce the opacity of this whole supply chain in real estate to make it more transparent.
John, thank you so much for taking the time to be with us today.
Appreciate it, Adrian.